Hi guys, welcome to Code with Cat, where we make Python coding fun and easy. Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are diving into Python list and some common operations you can use to work with them. Let's see what a list is and how to create one. A list is an ordered collection of items. You can store numbers, strings, or even a mix of data types in a list. You create a list by using the square brackets. Let's see some examples. My list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a list of integers. Let's see another example. Fruits equal to, will give some fruits name. This is a list of fruits. We can create list like this too. Next list is equal to, inside the square brackets, we'll give one integer, a string called hello, floating point number 3.14, and boolean true. Now let's see how to access the items using indexes. You can access individual items using their indexes. Indexing starts at 0 for the first item. For example, my list is equal to 10, 20, will give till 50. Print my list of 0. This will give us the output 10. Print my list of -1. This will give us the last item, which is 50. Now let's see some common list operations. Let's talk about some common list operations. The first one is append, which adds an item to the end of the list. For example, I have a list with 1, 2, and 3, and I want to add 4 to the list. I will do it like this. My list dot append, inside brackets I will give 4. If you print my list now, you'll see the output 1, 2, 3, and 4 is added to the end. Next, the remove method. It removes the first occurrence of a specific item in the list. For example, I have a list called fruits and it has apple, banana, cherry, and again apple. Now, if I want to remove apple, I'll give fruits dot remove, inside parenthesis I will give apple. Now if you print fruits, you will get the output banana, cherry, apple. The first occurrence of apple was removed. You can also use dot pop, which removes an item by index and returns it. Let's see an example. I have a list called my list and it has numbers 10, 20 till 50. Popped item equal to my list dot pop, in bracket I will give 2. This will remove and return the item at index 2. If you print the variable popped item, will get the output as 30. And now if you print my list, you will see a list without 30. 10, 20, 40, 50. You can also slice list, which means selecting a sublist. Use colon to specify the start and end index. In example, my list is equal to, say, 10 to 50. Sublist equal to my list of 1, 4. From index 1 to index 3. 4 minus 1. That is the last index. If you print sublist, the output will be 20, 30, 40. You can loop through a list using a for loop to process each item. For example, I have a list of fruits, and if you want to loop through each item in the list, you can give like this. For fruit in fruits, colon, next line, there will be a tab indentation, print fruit. You'll get the output. That's a quick look at Python list and some common operations. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need more tutorials, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.